Ginga Brisbane Capoeira Festival 2026.
Click here comment link. Click here comment link. From the 8th to the 14th of June 2026 we will be hosting our Ginga Brisbane Capoeira Festival. A week of workshops with special guest teachers, covering the various aspects of capoeira, Rodas and the graduation of our Xango Brisbane students. Click here comment link.
The aim of our festival is to bring together the wider capoeira community to share knowledge, learn from each other, gain more experience and further develop this unique art form in Australia.
Click here comment link. Click here comment link. Workshops will cater for different levels of experience and are open to all the capoeira community. They will run in the evenings from Monday 8th to Friday 12th and all day on Saturday 13th of June, including student graduation ceremony and after party. Sunday 14th of June will be a social afternoon get-together, bate-papo and casual Roda to round up our event week. Click here comment link. Click here comment link.
Please see pinned comment for timetable and guest announcements in the discussion section.
To register please go to click here comment link. Click here comment link. Click here comment link. Click here comment link.